Himani, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here then welcome to my channel. And today's video is gonna be a clothing try-on haul video. It's in collaboration with a brand called Dresswell. They recently reached out to me and sent me a few of their pieces. I tried all their items today and I'm gonna give my honest opinions. I had never really tried this brand before, so I was very excited to receive the products. They were also kind enough to generate a 20% off discount code for my followers, which I will link in the description box of this video. Do check it out. So if you like any of the items from this haul, or in general if you want to shop from this website, you can get a 20% off using my discount code. So the website looks like this. They have a huge collection of tops, skirts, dresses, swimsuits, and they all looked amazing. So I hope this video helps you in terms of how they actually look and fit and how is the quality. Please share and give a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button, you know the drill. And yeah, let's get started. Now this website has a huge collection of tops and shirts, but I was more interested in skirts and dresses, so I ordered 2 dresses, 2 skirts, 1 jacket and 1 romper. So I think I'm going to start with the romper first, and here it is. This I think is one of the cutest items from the lot. There actually is one more that I'll show you later on. But coming to this, I tried it on and I loved it so much. It's in this very pretty yellow color. I think they have one in blue as well, which also is very cute. It has stripes all over, very cute short sleeves, and this very gorgeous v-neck from the front and from the back. The back actually is a little too deep for my liking, so I'm wearing a black bralette underneath, but if you're comfortable you can wear it the way you want to. It has a zip closure at the back, and the thing that I like the most about this romper is it has these tie strings at the back of the neck so that it doesn't fall off from the shoulders. Another thing that I liked is it has the skirt pattern over the shorts, so it's more like skirts, which I definitely feel more comfortable in. The fabric is also nice. I ordered it in small size and it fits pretty well. Overall, a very cute item, perfect for summers. Okay, now let's get on to the dresses, and the first dress that I got is this long maxi length button down blue dress. The color and the pattern is exactly as shown on the website. I love that it has pockets on both sides, and it also comes with a waist belt. I really like shirt dresses like this because you can style them in so many different ways. I had even made a video on how to style a shirt dress in different ways. I will link it up here. You should totally check that out. The shirt dress that I featured in that video was a little short. It was knee length, but the styles more or less remain the same. You can wear it as a dress, or you can wear it as a jacket over a long kurta, maybe a pair of jeans and t-shirt. You can create so many different outfits using a shirt dress, so it's such a versatile piece to have. Next up is this beautiful multicolored maxi dress. It's sleeveless and has this beautiful printed patch pattern. The color and the pattern is exactly as shown on the website. It's just a little too big on me. I had ordered this in small like everything else, but the small in this one turned out to be way too loose for me. So now when I'm wearing it, it's looking more like a loose nightgown. I should have checked the size chart properly, and now I'm gonna have to get it altered. But other than that, it's a very pretty boho dress. Once I get it altered, I think I'll be able to wear it with chunky jewelry, maybe a hat or a shrug, and it'll look very nice. Okay, so done with the dresses, and now let's come to the skirts. The first skirt that I have is my favorite from the lot. It's this very pretty mesh skirt in beige color. The color actually is a little different from what's shown on the website, but it's still very pretty and I love it so much. It has a midi length and it comes in just one size. That's because it has this elastic waist which is very stretchy and it fits amazingly well. The quality also I feel is really nice. It has 2 layers of mesh, and then there is this very soft lining underneath. You can style skirts like this in so many different ways. They look so cute. I even layered it under one of my dresses recently, and it literally took the whole look to another level. I posted a reel on Instagram and so many of you asked me about the skirt, so definitely check this one out. Alright, the next skirt that I have is also super pretty. It's this ruffled tie waist midi length skirt with asymmetric hemline. They actually have it in 3 different colors, and I got this creamish one. I really liked it. It's a very subtle color. It has a beautiful floral print and the fabric is chiffon, so it's very soft and flowy. I love the fact that despite being in such a light color, it's not that see-through. It has this attached lining underneath. The ruffles at the bottom are so cute. It's a high waist skirt, so I can't wait to wear it with some cute crop tops this spring and summer. So that was all for the skirts, and now we come to the last item. And the last item for today is this beautiful jacket. It's a corduroy jacket in this beautiful maroon color. I love the long lantern sleeves with pleated cuffs. It has these flaps on both sides and silver buttons. I love that it's a cropped jacket, so it's gonna look amazing with crop tops and high waist bottoms. It's not very warm, but a very pretty and stylish summer jacket, I would say. But you can definitely layer it over turtlenecks or sweaters for fall and winters. It comes in 3 different colors. I got this one, and I'm definitely looking forward to style all these items for summer this year. So guys, that was all for today. Overall, I was quite impressed with all the products from this brand. I will make sure to link all the items in the description box of this video. You should definitely check them out. And do let me know in the comment section below which out of all the products that I ordered was your favorite. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please share and give a thumbs up if you did. And please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below. Hit the bell notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also subscribe to my channel by clicking on my picture in the small circle over here. And yeah, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.